Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
So we will quickly first. I'll give you the marks, okay, and then we'll discuss the question paper also. Has everyone joined? Okay. Only 30 students, so let us just wait. Let me see if anyone joins, so that I do not require to, repeat the marks again and again. Okay, so can I tell the marks now?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Nikita, you got 30. Nikita is there. Ankit,
Yes, ma'am.
29. Ajay,
Yes, ma'am.
25. Priya Dutt,
Yes, ma'am.
29. Barsha is there. 28. Okay. Chinmay Bora,
Yes, ma'am.
30. Amit Mithi, 30. Hitesh, Sailesh, who? Sailesh or Hitesh? Sailesh, 30. Kashmiri,
Yes, ma'am.
30. Mamoni,
Ma'am.
30. Bhumita,
Ma'am.
28. Onkur, 30.
Yes, ma'am.
Twinkle, 30. Joyita, 30. Narjina,
Yes, ma'am.
30. Pallab, Monjur, Kiran Barla, Chinmoy, Tamuli, Rizwana,
Yes, ma'am.
30. Then Preeti Rekha is there, 30. Debajuti, 30.
Yes, ma'am.
Sunit Subro, 30. Narendra, 29. Sapna Kumari,
Yes, ma'am.
30. Then Aman is there. Aman Kumar. Who is Aman Kumar? Aman Kumar. Is there anyone who is Aman Kumar in your batch?
Ma'am, he is
Yes.
still a stranger among us.
Huh?
He is still a stranger among us.
Yeah, I have seen his name for the first time. I do not know he is there in the group or what, but he has given exam. Surprised. Okay, anyways, Hinashri, Abhay Pradhan, 23. Ninakshi has
Yes,
scored
ma'am.
30. And Roy is there. Tinlo, Balarilang, Ibarisha,
Yes, ma'am.
30. Pallavi Tanti,
Yes, ma'am.
30. Angom Lakshmi, 30. Rahul Subedi, 30. Pinky
ma'am.
Dev,
Ma'am.
30. Angom Lakshmi, you have scored 29. Okay, 29. Rahul 30, Pinky 30, Golet Star 28. Batlembiang, Masrura
Yes, ma'am.
28. Bhashwati
Yes, ma'am.
30. Tanaya 30. Monirul
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
30. Akoizam 29.
Yes, ma'am.
Satakshi 30.
Yes, ma'am.
Biddut
Yes, ma'am.
30. Susan Rose
Yes, ma'am.
29. Papia Sil
Ma'am.
30. Dipanjali
Yes.
29. Manmoni
Yes, ma'am.
28. Khidor
Yes, ma'am.
30. Vishnurat
Yes, ma'am.
22. Hasina Mosinul
Yes, ma'am.
Hasina 29. Mosinul
Yes, ma'am.
28. Jhonmoni
Yes, ma'am.
30. Rama Paul
Yes, ma'am.
28. Richa Pathak
Yes, ma'am.
28. Jitul Rabha
Yes, ma'am.
28. Upasna
Yes, ma'am.
30. Amira Nurun Nahar
Yes, ma'am. Amira.
Amira 30. Nurun Nahar 30. Wasim 30. Anindita
Yes, ma'am.
30. Sapna Kumari Sapna 30. Narendra is there. Okay, so anyone is left who wants to know your mark?
Ma'am. Joyta.
Jaita, you have scored 30.
Ma'am. Batlembiang.
Batlambiang 29. Anyone else? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Balarilang. Just a second, okay? Balarilang, you have scored 30. Done? Can I move to the questions now? Yes or no?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the first question is just a second, okay? Dash is a systematic and planned introduction of employees to their jobs, their co-workers and the organization. Dash, yeah, the correct answer is orientation. Okay. The next question is, which type of information is conveyed by orientation? Options is training and education benefit, job location, job safety requirements, and the last option is general information about the daily work routine.
I think last option.
Yeah, the last option is the correct option, general information about daily work routine. Which of these is a stage while conducting formal orientation? Option A, employee is given only manual tasks that discourage job interest and company loyalty. Option B, employee is overloaded with forms to complete. Option C, specific orientation to the department and the job, typically given by the employee's supervisor. And option D, employees' mistakes can damage the company. I'm again repeating the question. Which of these is a stage while conducting
Third option.
formal orientation? The correct answer is specific orientation to the department and the job, typically given by the employee supervisor. Okay, let us move to the next question. Which of the following options are the topics covered in employee orientation program? First option, training and education benefit. Second option, to employee counselor. Third option, relationship to other jobs. And last option, all of these. All of these,
ma'am.
yeah, all of this is the correct answer. Very good. Next question. This refers to the allocation of people to jobs. It includes initial assignment of new employees and promotion, transfer or demotion of present employees. First option is recruitment. Second option is placement. Third option is selection. Fourth option is none of the above.
Recruitment.
Okay. Correct option is placement. Okay. Placement refers to the allocation of people to jobs. Okay. Recruitment is hiring. Allocation of people to jobs is what is indicated by placement. So placement will be the correct answer. Dash is an objective assessment of an individual's performance against well-defined benchmarks. Option A, performance appraisal. B, HR planning. C, information for goal identification. D, none of the above. Performance appraisal is the correct answer. Next question. Which of these is the main purpose of employee assessment? First option, making correct decisions. Second option, to effect promotions based on competence and performance. Third option, establish job expectations. Fourth option, none of the above.
To effect promotion based on
the competence and performance.
Very good. The answer is to effect promotions based on competence and performance. Next question. Analyzers tend to emphasize both dash and employee extensive training programs. Okay. First option, skill building and skill acquisition. Second option, current performance and past performance. Third option, strategy and behavior. Fourth option is none of the above.
Skill building and skill acquisition.
Very good. Skill building and skill acquisition. Next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Dash is a process of searching for prospective employees and stimulating them to apply for jobs. First option is selection, then induction. Third option, recruitment. Fourth option, orientation.
recruitment.
Very good. This answer is recruitment. Yeah, recruitment. Second, okay, let us move to the next question. Dash can be defined as process of choosing the right person for right job. First option, selection. Second option, induction. Third option, recruitment. Fourth option, orientation.
Selection.
Selection is the correct answer. Next question. DES is a selection test which judges the emotional ability, which will help to judge work in group. First option, personality test. Second, intelligence test. Third, mental ability test. Fourth, none of the above.
Personality test.
Personality test is the correct answer. Very good. Next question. DES is not an external source of recruitment. Campus selection, internal advertisement, consultancy, walk-in.
Internal advertisement.
Internal advertisement. Very good. Next question. Promotion is a dash source recruitment. Suitable, higher, internal, external.
Internal.
Very good. Internal is the correct answer. The term procurement stands for recruitment and selection, promotion, purchase, training and development.
Recruitment and selection.
Very good. Recruitment and selection. Next question. Identifying the dash candidates and dash them to apply for the job is called recruitment. Available, insisting, available, making, potential, attracting, potential, insisting.
Potential
Potential effect.
Very good. The answer is identifying the potential candidates and attracting them to apply for the job is called recruitment. Next question. Dash means assigning a specific rank and responsibility to an individual. Selection, induction, recruitment, placement.
placement.
Placement is the correct answer. Very good. On the date of joining, the employee is introduced to the company and other employees. This process is called as training, introduction, fresher welcome, induction. Induction is the correct answer. Very good. The last question is the human resource planning is done based on market condition, financial condition, external environment or organizational plan. Organizational plan is the correct answer. Very good. Okay, so with this we come to the end of discussion of questions. Okay, so what I wanted to ask you people is, I think everyone has got your results. Okay, so some of them are having some issues with the results. I have asked few students to contact with your mentor and also to approach the grievance cell. In spite of those few students, others, all of you are, you know, like okay with your marks, like there is no problem related to Coursera marks and all that, right? Okay then, yesterday we were discussing about performance appraisal, isn't it? So we have come to know that performance appraisal is a regular view, right? Review, you can say, of an employee's job performance.
Some of us didn't get Coursera marks.
মানে
কি ৰিজাল্ট কালি দিছিল ন তাত আমাৰ ই-লাৰ্ণিঙৰ মাৰ্কছবিলাক অহা নাই মানে
অহা নাই মানে এফ আহিছে নেকি
বেক আহিছে মানে ই-লাৰ্ণিঙত একো অহা নাই
কাৰ
আমিতো সাবমিট কৰিছো
মই বুজিছো তোমালোকে সাবমিট অমিত মিঠি মই ন শুনা এক মিনিট হা মই এইটো সুধিছো যে তোমালোকে মাৰ্কছটো পোৱাই নাই নে এফ আহিছে নে গ্ৰেড আহিছে এফ বুলি আহিছে নেকি
এফ বুলি আহিছে না এফ বুলি আহিছে
অমিত মিঠি ন
অমিত মিঠি মনিৰ আৰু আংগাম লক্ষ্মী দেৱী
So you people were sleeping or what? You didn't tell me? Huh? Wait, let me check.
Mentor কৈছিলো
Mentor কি ক'লে ৰবা অমিত মিঠি ফাৰ্ষ্ট কোৱাচোন তোমাৰ এনৰোলমেণ্ট আইডি কোৱা
মেম মোৰ এটিটিউড
MHM
021
MHM 021 তোমাৰ কিবা প্ৰব্লেম হৈ আছে চাগে মানে ভৰাওঁতে ভুল হৈছে চাগে হা মোক ফাৰ্ষ্ট কৈ লোৱা হা 021 ন
Yes ma'am
021 এক মিনিট মেণ্টৰে কি ক'লে কওঁতে
মেণ্টৰে কৈছে আপডেট হৈ আছে বুলি কৈছে
কিছুমানৰ আপডেট হৈ আছে হা ৰিজাল্ট সেইটো ঠিকেই কৈছে তেওঁ কিন্তু মই চাব বিচাৰিছোঁ যে তোমালোকৰ ERP কিবা গণ্ডগোল হৈ আছে নেকি 021 ক'লা নেক্সট কোৱাচোন
00 MHM 004
MHM 004 নেক্সট কোৱা
मैम शैलेश कुमार
011 what MHM MHM ৰ কোন আছে আৰু অমিতে ক'লা আৰু কোনে ক'লা 011 নে কোনবা এটা কিবা কৈছিলা যে
মেন 022 আছে
022 আচ্ছা 022 আছিলে অমিত আছিলা আৰু হা 003 পাপিয়া মইতো তোমাক কৈছোৱে নেক্সট MHM আৰু কোনোবা আছা
MHM 021 মোৰ হয় অমিত আৰু 022 আংগম লক্ষ্মী তাইৰো সেম আহিছে
আৰু পাপিয়া সিল আংগম এণ্ড অমিত ৰাইট আৰু কোন আছা
মনিৰুল ইছলাম 004
MHM
yes miss
MHM 004 আচ্ছা ৰ'বা হা তোমালোকৰ এণ্ড ছেমিষ্টাৰটো মই চাইছোঁ ইন ছেশ্যনেলটো মই চাই লওঁ পটককৈ MBA FT student you just wait okay MHM পাপিয়া সিল নম্বৰ কোৱা 003
Yes, ma'am.
আৰু 021 আৰু 022 হয়নে yes or no
yes ma'am
yes আৰু মনিৰুলৰ কিমান কৈছিলা
004
004 তোমালোকৰ ঠিকে আছে আপডেশ্যন হৈ আছে তেনেহ'লে প্ৰব্লেম নাই you will get your results soon okay no need to worry there is some problem I think so from their end only since updation is going on let us see after few days what happens okay I'll talk with your mentor also once about this okay you don't have to worry all this you people are not failing in this subject okay next MBA EL FT kita koba ha etia FT koasun roll number kita koa Salish tell me your roll number 011 okay anyone else
059 ma'am
059 yes anyone else no one okay just a second I have seen your sessional let me see your NSEM Salish can you again repeat your roll number 011 okay and the other one 059 okay 059 whose roll number is this Golet Star you have not submitted your marks you have not
submitted ma'am
you have not completed your ERP I think oh sorry Coursera
no ma'am I completed I already submit
059 there is a problem with 059 I guess when did you submit
I remember since that time when you asked to submit only
you do one thing you submit me your grades today
okay ma'am
okay 059 right
yes ma'am
yeah you submit me your grades today
okay ma'am
okay
okay
okay fine rest everyone is okay with your marks and rest you people don't worry let the updation be done and then you will come to know okay
Hello, ma'am.
yes
Ma'am, I got my marks, but my one of my course is not showing up. Not updated.
কিহৰ
My course. Ma'am, kibar business communication.
সেইটো তুমি মেণ্টৰৰ লগত পাতিবা হা মেণ্টৰৰ লগত পাতি পিনে যদি ছাৰে কয় যে তুমি গ্ৰিভেন্সত লিখিব লাগিব বা এপ্ৰ'চ কৰিব লাগিব দ্যাট ইউ টক উইথ ছাৰ এণ্ড ছাৰ উইল লেট ইউ ন' ইট অ'কে
Okay, ma'am.
okay okay so with this I think so we can proceed to performance appraisal I guess yes okay so we have seen that performance appraisal is a regular review of an employee's job performance and his overall contribution to a company right this performance appraisal it is also known as an annual review okay it is known as annual review it is also known as performance review or it is also known as performance evaluation okay so performance appraisal has lot many other names fine and this performance appraisal is basically used by the companies to give the employees a big picture feedback on their work and to justify pay increases and bonuses as well as termination decisions. As I have told you that through this report or review, the entire evaluation or assessment of an employee is done, based on which the company will decide like whether the pay or the salary that a person is receiving against the work he is doing for the company is justified or not, whether he is liable to any kind of bonuses or incentives for his work, or whether he is not doing anything for which he should be terminated from the company. Understood? Yes, we were discussing about the different methods. I remember we will move to the methods, but before that I have skipped some of the things which I should have told you yesterday itself, so I'll do that today. Okay, now how performance appraisal works. Before moving to the methods, it is important for us to know like how this performance appraisal works. Okay, now we all know that an organization or a company always have some limited funds, okay, from which they will have to award the raises and the bonuses. If a person is doing good work, a person will have to get bonus. If a person is not doing good work, he is not liable to any bonus. As we know, companies have limited fund, or it is not possible for the company to give bonuses to everyone. So in that sense, performance appraisal is helping to determine like how they are going to allocate those funds. Okay, through this appraisal process, they are getting the overall picture or overall scenario of all the employees, and accordingly they will try to determine which employees have contributed the most to the company's growth, and according to that the companies can reward their top performing employees. Understanding? Yes. And performance appraisal is also helping the employees by allowing the managers to create a plan for the development the employees require through any kind of additional training, okay, for their increased responsibilities that they are given from the organization. And also they are making the employees ready to to resolve any kind of work that they are allocated to do. Okay, if it is found that the employees are lacking somewhere, then how they are going to improve in that particular area. So performance appraisal is helping in short to identify the shortcomings or the lackings which are prevailing in any employee. Understanding? Yes. Now as we have seen that there are different methods, so accordingly there are different types also of performance appraisal. As I have told you about self appraisal, where we are trying to assess ourselves. Individuals, they are rating their own job performance and behavior. There is another type of performance appraisal, that is peer assessment. What is peer assessment? Here the co-workers or the colleagues are the ones who are going to rate the performance of the employees. Suppose you are working in a department, you are working as a team, you have 10 members in a group. You are not going to rate yourself, but the other 9 are going to rate you for your work. Okay, then there is 360-degree feedback assessment. Now this 360-degree itself tells you that it is a circle. A circle makes a 360-degree measurement, right? So in this 360-degree, there will be self-assessment also, there will be peer assessment also, and there will be assessment from the top management also, like like supervisors will also be giving the feedback. Your immediate boss, your colleagues, and you yourself will be assessing yourself. That is what is meant by 360-degree feedback assessment. Understanding? So these are basically the types, or you can say the ways through which the entire assessment or performance appraisal is done. Clear?
Can you repeat the 360-degree?
Yeah, 360-degree is the entire circle. The immediate boss, okay, the higher management in the sense your higher authority. Suppose now I am working in a department, I am working in the management department, so our dean is rating me for my work, HOD is rating me for my work, my supervisor, my co-workers or my colleagues are rating me for my work, and I myself am rating myself for my work. Even the you know, a person who is of lower grade than me, the office staff who is engaged with our department, is also rating me for my work. Understanding? So that is what is 360 degree. I am not 360 again doesn't mean that, you know, a dean of another department will be rating me for my work. It cannot happen, because that dean is not, you know, he is not having the idea of what work I am allocated and how I am performing. I can only be judged by the person who has allotted me the work and who knows like what kind of task I am performing and how I am performing. Understanding? So that is what is actually meant by 360 degree feedback assessment. Clear? Clear or not, Debojyoti? Yes? So these are the different types of performance appraisal assessment techniques, you can say, or types, you can say. Okay? Now here this meeting will get end in 5 minutes. Okay? So quickly take down one assignment. Please write down the questions. 2 questions I'll give you. Okay? You please complete it and you will have to submit it to me by next week. Okay, that is before the class we are going to give. That is, I think so, on Thursday we have a class. No, Tuesday we have a class.
Yes, ma'am.
Tuesday you are going to submit me before the class. Okay, write down the question. Quickly you write, what are performance appraisals used for? What are performance appraisals used for? Written, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question you write, when should a performance appraisal take place? When should a performance appraisal take place? Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the 2 questions that you will be completing. You will be submitting me, and then soft copy. How can you submit me a hard copy now? So you are going to how you are going to submit me hard copy now? You will have to mail me only, right? So so you will do that and you will submit it to me on Tuesday before the class, and on Tuesday we are going to proceed with the other methods of performance appraisal, both traditional and modern. Okay, thank you everyone, you can leave the class now.
Thank you, ma'am.